What's up, everybody? It's Chris from Chris Does Things. Today we're in Grapevine, Texas at Great Wolf Lodge. Let's take a look at this entire indoor water park. We're here in November. The weather is perfect. It's cold outside, really nice in here. Let's see everything that they have to offer. All right, so once they check your wristband to get in and make sure that your kids have the appropriately colored wristbands for the height they are, you can walk in and see this bear track landing kids play area. One of those giant buckets up top that kind of spills water on top of you. One thing to note, if you have small kids who can't really swim yet, there are plenty of complimentary life jackets available. I mean, there's a rack over here, there's another rack over here. I've seen them a couple different places, so plenty of free life jackets for the kids. Over in this corner, plenty of lockers. They are an additional fee, but there are plenty of lockers if you just need a place to store your valuables. They also have these cabanas, which I was asking. We're here on a Monday and they ran about $300 today, but it looks like they've got some fans, plenty of seating area. There's a television screen up here, as well as a beverage station. It looks like it's got some water and soda stocked in there, but nice little private area if you're looking for that cabana experience. And it's also right next to the hot tub area. Over here there is a kids area that is specifically for people, I think, under the 42 inches or below height requirement. A couple of slides way in the corner, a little play area, lots of splashing, little fountain area here, but you have to be little to be in this area. So over here we've got one of the two concession stands in Great Wolf Lodge. This one's called Buckets. Let's look a little bit at the menu. It looks like we've got a crispy chicken sandwich meal for $15.99, bacon cheeseburger $16.49, chicken strips meal $15.50. Kids meals are $10. That's going to come with a hamburger, chicken strips or hot dog with fries, apple slices, and a beverage for $10. Not bad. They've also got these refillable mug stations where you can get a refillable cup, scan it, and then come over and get a drink. They do have Pepsi products, so if you're a Coke fan, you're kind of out of luck here, but it looks like the refillable mug is $16.99, or you can add it to any meal for $11.99. Of course, no good water park is without a lazy river, and this has got a pretty good lazy river. A lot of different water elements and a pretty good current that rolls itself around, and it's right over here next to the wave pool. Let's go check that out. So over here we've got the wave pool, and every so often you'll hear these wolves howling. I don't know if you can see, but there are some wolves up here. And they'll just start howling, and the waves will just start going, and it's as deep as 5 feet. Most of it is 3 feet or under. So this is actually a really good wave pool, especially if you've got some younger kids. Here go the wolves howling. And here come the waves. I don't know if you can see, but they're starting up. There's one right there. There we go. And what's really nice is they have a colored wristband system for the kids, depending upon what height they are and what they can do. So for the slaptail pond, which is the wave pool, anyone can do it. Red wristbands, though, they recommend life jackets for. Yellow wristbands, they also recommend the life jackets, and the green is approved for anyone to do. This really takes into effect, though, when we look at some of the slides. Let's go take a look at those. So over here above the lazy river area, there are 5 different slides. Some of them are smaller slides designed for 1 or 2 people, and then there are 2 that are designed for groups of 2 to 5, kind of family different water slides, but they are some kind of awesome. Our personal favorite, you've got this green one back here that kind of drops you down and then swirls you around, almost like water, like when you flush a toilet. It kind of swirls you around and then drops you down in the middle of that. That's a pretty good one. And then one of the family slides that goes outside, so we won't be able to see it, is really awesome. Really good slides here, all included with your stay at Great Wolf Lodge. Over here we have the second concession stand area. It's called the Watering Hole. It's basically a bar. They do make some mocktails and some kiddie coolers, but for the most part they're going to be tiki cocktails, frozen cocktails, and margaritas, and all kinds of tropical drinks. So here's another look at the slide area. I mean, these are pretty awesome. Again, this green slide that drops down into that little bowl area is pretty epic. So over here we've got a pool with lots of different balance activities, some sports. They're playing basketball over there. Even one of this cargo net with lily pads on there. Fun little area. Then this area is going to be the back side of that kids area where that big bucket was. It's on the other side of this slide, but there are 2 slides that I know my kids have had a ball going down. And for those who maybe aren't necessarily ready for some of the bigger ones, these are great beginner slides. I mean, we've got kids as little as 2 years old going down these slides. All right, that's going to do it for our time here at Great Wolf Lodge in Grapevine, Texas. Really pretty great water park, especially because it's included with the price of your hotel stay, which, I mean, this is the best hotel pool I've ever been to. Let me know down in the comments, have you ever been to Great Wolf Lodge in Grapevine? Are you planning on coming? Let me know if you have any questions, and in the meantime, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, we'll see you.